More progress on Tom's 72 Cadillac.
Alright, so my goal today will be to finish disassembling everything we need to remove to get the engine out. So the bell housing will be undone, exhaust collectors will be done, motor mounts undone, cooling system, radiator, fan, pulleys, AC condenser, all those goodies will be undone and removed today. And then early next week, this baby's got a date with Cherry Picker and off to Brian over at Indio Motor Machine. And it'll actually be painted the right color this time, because this is a Mopar color. Alright, getting ready to take out the condenser. There's a nut here with an isolator and a nut down there with an isolator. You can see it right there. Those got to come out. Same thing over here on this side for the most part. 1 and 2. Need to undo a few lines here, especially the one into the dryer. I'll actually get the dryer out on its own as well. It has a nut down there as well, or a bolt rather. Get that all done, get that out. Already have our top brackets out for the radiator. Just need to get the lower hose off and these trans cooler lines. I'll pull the radiator, pull the fan, water pump pulley. This hose is loose, we'll just pull it off. I'm gonna go underneath and undo stuff down there. Radiator and condenser gone. Fan gone. Exhaust manifolds have been unbolted from both sides. It's actually the first time ever on a 472 that I've had every manifold bolt come out on its own with no heat and quench, no breaking off, no rounding off. Miracles do happen, boys and girls. Alright, so the only thing holding the motor in right now is gravity. Oh, and the 2 studs, the mounts there that go into the frame. But the nuts are off of there. Bell housing's undone, converter's undone. All our heater hoses, all our wiring, our starter, the whole shebang is off and free. We are ready to pull this motor. So when I come over here next week, this will come out and it'll go over to Brian.